A Plus Budgets is a mobile application made to help and familiarize students that are in post-secondary to manage their basic expenditures. This application is aimed to both help students that struggle with their spending habits and complement other students that already budget their money well. The interface provides visual feedback using graphical statistics that displays their spending habits in months, weeks, and days. Our application requires the user to create an account to store their personalized budgets and expenses throughout the year. For existing users, they can sign in regularly through the sign-in page, but we also give them the opportunity to link their Facebook or Google account to their A Plus Budgets account. For new users, we provide them an easy sign-up process to help them set up an app-recommended budget. A new user would first add in relevant information for their new account such as name, email, password, etc. After the user adds in their new account information, they will be asked to add in categories of expenses that they would like to keep track of in their account. The next part of the sign-up process asks the user to set up their monthly budget. First, the user will need to enter in their various incomes for a month. Next, the user is asked to choose what percentage of their total budget they wish to allocate towards a particular category. In the main screen, the user is greeted with the categories that they have entered during the setup process. This screen also displays a pie chart which illustrates the amount of money left for that day and also how much is left to spend for a particular category. Now, the user can add an expense to whichever category they need to record their expenditures for. The user can click on a category to view statistical data relating to the selected category. The bar graph indicates to the user their spending behavior for a given time frame. We are currently looking at the user's spending for each month over the current year. The blue bar indicates how much the user has spent, the green bar indicates the amount of money the user stayed under their budget by, and the red bar indicates by what amount the user has gone over their allocated budget. We can keep viewing data for smaller and smaller time frames until we reach a particular day. Our application permits the users to create a goal for which they can put their money towards. This screen can be accessed by opening the side menu and clicking on the Set Goals option. For example, let us say that this user is trying to save up for a $100 laptop. The user can click the Add Goals button at the bottom of the screen to add this goal. Once a goal is created, the user simply has to click on the Add to Savings to put the specified amount towards their goal. The progress bar is updated accordingly. Once a user achieves a goal, we send them a congratulatory notification on their achievement. We allow the users to personalize our application to suit their needs. If the user decides that the current budget is not working for them, they can navigate to the settings screen and edit their budget to suit their needs. We also allow the user to edit their profile just in case they need to update their current information. This includes changing their profile picture to updating their password. The notification screen can also be found in the settings screen. This allows the user to control the frequency of notifications from our app. These notifications can range from achieving their goals to going over their budget. Once the user is done using our app or decides to migrate to another phone, they can simply toggle the sidebar menu and click on the Sign Out option to sign out of our application. A Plus Budgets provides a simple budgeting solution for students who struggle to manage their finances. We hope that with our application, post-secondary students can feel better organized and prepared when managing their expenses.